Welcome to our channel. Accurate approach shots set up birdie opportunities and save pars. These techniques help you hit more greens in regulation. Step 1. Commit to a specific target for every approach shot. Rather than aiming vaguely at the green, pick a precise landing area considering pin position, hazards, and green contours. Step 2. Factor in all relevant conditions. Consider wind direction and strength, elevation changes, firmness of the green, and your lie. Adjust your club selection and target accordingly. Step 3. Know your true carry distances for each club. Laser rangefinders and GPS devices provide yardages, but you must understand how far you carry each iron in calm conditions. Test this during practice. Step 4. Control your ball flight trajectory based on conditions. Into the wind, take more club and swing easier for a lower penetrating flight. Downwind, use less club and accept higher trajectories. Step 5. Aim for the fat part of the green when the pin is in a challenging location. Smart course management means accepting 25-foot putts rather than risking trouble for slightly closer approaches. Step 6. Maintain your tempo and balance on approach shots. Tension and quick swings compromise accuracy. Make smooth, rhythmic swings with proper balance throughout. Step 7. Practice from various yardages and lies. Course conditions rarely provide perfect flat lies in the fairway. Prepare for uneven lies, divots, and different grass lengths. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.